Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites, a compatible iPhone and the NFC card in hand. Once updated to the latest iOS, open Wallet or the app that will use the card. This ensures system-level NFC access. Tap Add, Scan, or Import depending on the app, because that initiates the phone's reader. You should hold the card near the top back of the iPhone. That's where the antenna is. Make sure the screen is unlocked, and keep the card steady for a few seconds so the phone can detect it. Once detected, the phone will vibrate or show an on-screen prompt. You then follow the guided fields to name the card and select its role. You do this because a clear label helps later when you have multiple passes. Make sure to grant required permissions, such as Bluetooth or camera if the app asks. After configuration, perform a quick test read inside the app or at a reader to confirm the profile is active. If it fails, repeat the scan slowly while keeping the card aligned. You finish by validating the setup. Use the card with a real reader or the app's test tool because real-world confirmation prevents surprises. If it doesn't work, reboot the iPhone first. This clears temporary NFC locks. Once done, remove any metal or thick cases and rescan. Cases often block the antenna. If problems persist, make sure iOS is current and then contact the card issuer with your iPhone model and error text. This gives support the context they need to help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.